Hello, class. My name's Ms. Hardiman, and I will be your second grade teacher. Today, our learning goal is for you to be able to tell time to the nearest minute. This matches the Iowa Core standard to tell time and write time from analog and digital clocks to the nearest 5 minutes using AM and PM. Time is involved in everything in our lives, when we need to be somewhere, how long we need to do something, when we need to wake up, etc. Knowing how to tell time will become basic knowledge you need to know to go about every task. What is time? Merriam-Webster definition: the measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exits or continues, or an appointed, fixed, or customary moment or hour for something to happen, begin, or end. So to the left here, this is a regular analog clock that you might see in many of your classrooms. And then this clock is a digital clock, sort of like a stopwatch. Time is told in two parts. So the long hand right here, this is going to tell us our minutes. And the short hand is going to tell us our hours. So both hands work their way around the clock clockwise. So this means each hand starts up at the 12 and works its way down to the right, passing the 1. Now it's your turn. What time is it? So first, look at the shorthand and see what hour it is. Is it 8 or is it 9? Has it passed the 8, but has it gotten to the 9 yet? And then this long hand will tell you the minutes. And each one of these little tick marks is 1 minute or 60 seconds. So, since the shorthand didn't quite get to the 9, it is 8 o'clock. Then starting up here at the top, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So since the shorthand is just past the 8, but not quite on the 9, it's 8 o'clock. And since the 8 represents 40 minutes, it's 8:40. And as you see on this clock, it doesn't really specify if it's AM or PM, but the point of this lesson is to know the time to the nearest minute. All right, so here's this. I would like you to figure out the hour, the minute, and then the whole time. So go ahead and look at the shorthand to see the hours right here, and the longhand to see the minutes. And then to combine those two will be your time. All right, so as you can see, the longhand is just past the 11, but not quite on the 12. So it has to mean it's 11 o'clock. And then 5, 10, 15. The 3 represents 15 minutes. So the hour is 11. The minute is 15. So that means it is 11:15. All right. Thank you so much for listening to my lesson. I hope you get to show off your new time-telling skills not only in the classroom, but wherever you are. You could do this at the grocery store, at school, at home, wherever there is a clock present.